So, it's finally here. I know y'all probably thinking about, what is it? Well, I'm about to show y'all. It's about to be another unboxing video. Let's go. So, lately I've been wanting to bring you guys more quality content, emphasis on the quality. And I've been constantly stressing myself, wondering what should I get, if I should just get a new camera, if I should just upgrade. Granted, I love my crop sensor camera. It's been doing me justice for years, but I do want a full frame camera, and sooner or later I will move on up until that. But until then, what's the best way to improve your quality without breaking your pockets? By upgrading the attributes around the quality. Let me tell you what I mean by that. Lighting. Lighting is your best friend when it comes down to videos and photos. I've seen people with way older cameras than me producing way better quality videos than I am. Why is that? Because they're utilizing lighting. Whether it be natural lighting such as the window or buying new lights. That's what today's video is about. Let's get into it. So, as I've said before, I've been constantly trying to improve my quality, and I never knew what was going on. Like, no matter what I used, I found people with way older cameras than what I had that was producing way better quality than I thought to myself. What is one of the few things that can improve quality in picture and video? Lighting. Let's open up the new baby. Let's see. It's from Neewer, by the way. They're the people that make all sorts of ring lights and other lighting accessories that you'll need for video and photography. So these are the stands, I believe. Yep. Comes with 2 stands in it. And this would be the light. Now, this is the Neewer LED photography light, and it has 660 LEDs in it. Great for video and photography. We're gonna see how it looks. Don't worry. It comes with the back panel and everything. And it comes with 2 in there, and it even comes with a traveling case to have them all in there. So we're gonna get them opened up. So as you can see straight out of the gate, this is how it looks, front and back. Why am I ripping the box like that? Well, I'm kinky. I'm kinky when it comes down to stuff like this. But open it right up. And it comes in a case holder. Y'all gotta forgive me. I suck at opening things up. I will break boxes and all types of stuff. But I love the quality of the case holder for it because it's really sturdy. Can't really just get broken up. Like even if you like throw it, it's like padded. So it can take a good beating, which is good when it comes down to camera equipment. Like any camera equipment that can take a good beating is a plus in my book. So this is how it looks when you first open it up. I don't really just need those. I'm gonna just cast those to the side. When I first picked up the light, I saw that it had a bit of weight to it. I actually like that. I actually really like that about the light. It's made from a good material. It's not really all plasticky and flimsy. As you can see, these are the shields to redirect the light if you want to. The light itself, dang, bro, I'm having a hard time opening up this shield. This is why I need nails. But the light is like heavy, like not like super heavy, but it has some weight to it. That way, say like if you filming outside and it's like windy, it can't just get blown over. And these are the power adapters. Now you can buy batteries for it, for when you like filming outside and don't have no way to plug it up. But if you're on the inside, like just if you want it to be like lighting up the whole time, these are the adapters for it. All right, so on the back, you'll see that there's 3 dials, well 2 dials actually, and there's the power switch. The first dial is for the dimming, or you can either turn it into the light shade or like a really warm shade. It's good for outside shooting. The second dial is for the dimness, like if you want to turn the brightness up and down. As I said before, you can buy 2 batteries for if you're filming outside, but you can also like plug it up. That way, like in the house, if you're filming, like it's just endless lighting and it's amazing. I'm gonna show y'all in a little bit how the quality of it looks. As you can see, when you fold the shields back, it's like, boy, it's like you just, oh my God, I'm struggling with this again. It's like you just opened up a treasure box, bro. Like it is actually pretty lit and it's really good quality for it. As I said before, they have two dials on the back. The bottom is for brightening and like dimming, and that top dial, that's to change it from like a warmth color to like just like the traditional, like white color. And there you have it. Now you see how that quality looks so much better. Time after time, I wonder what I'm doing wrong that makes my channel not go off as much as it do. But in all actuality, I'm just overthinking everything. You don't need to spend a lot of money on equipment. You don't need to buy the most expensive camera. Like, it doesn't work that way. You work with what you got, or you buy small things that can improve your quality. Like I said, I've seen plenty of people with older cameras than I have that's producing way better content, way better looking videos, and that's only because they took the time out to purchase things like this. Now, if you want to purchase these lights, this accessory is a nice deal going on Amazon right now. I can't fully just say which one it is, but I can just go to my Amazon and find the link and put it down in the description below. Once again, thank you guys for the subscribers. Thank you guys for watching this video. I need you guys to start watching videos a lot longer because the retention is not looking good, you guys. If you really support me like you say you do, just watch the video or suggest something to somebody that you know is a YouTuber. You know you have YouTuber friends that's looking for the next best thing to make their content pop. Suggest them to my channel. I have plenty of videos where I show other content creators how to make better videos. Like it's not hard at all. I'm not a selfish guy. I'm always willing to give out this information. Like it's not hard at all. Like I said, my videos is about to look so much better, especially when I want to film like skits or anything like that. By the way, I got some new skits coming for everybody that's been asking for it. I know y'all about to say something about it in the comments. I know y'all been waiting on skits. But I'm going to get to that. I promise I'm going to get to that. I got some amazing content coming to us, y'all. Just leave it a second. You know what I'm saying? But that'll be all for today. Like I said, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. And guys, please remember, comment and tell me what you want to see next. I can't give y'all good quality content if y'all not telling me what y'all want to see. That's literally all it takes. I just need y'all to comment. Tell me what you want to see next, and I will do it. Like, it's really that simple. Y'all, we are almost at 5,000 subscribers. I need y'all to come on with it. When it come down to that, we are almost at 5K, boy. Right now, we are at 4,585, I believe. You know what I'm saying? So we almost at 4,600. Like, come on, bruh. Give me to that 5K. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get 10K before the end of the year. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get 10K subscribers before the end of the year, and I feel like that's gonna happen. But like always, like I said, subscribe, comment down below, hit that notification bell. Join the Apollo family gang, you know what I'm saying, my astronauts. And I'm going to get it to y'all in the next video. Bye, YouTube. I'm out. And I almost forgot, it's time to do the comment of the day. Shout out to Mimi. She's another content creator from Memphis, Tennessee. I believe she moved somewhere else. I can't remember where she moved to. I think she moved to Michigan. I can't remember. But shout out to Mimi. We put her channel right here, and y'all just go subscribe to her, bro. Big shout out to my homegirl. I went to high school with her. She's been doing her thing. I love your content. Keep going. Keep doing what you're doing. Make sure you're watching these videos if you want more tips on how to boost your channel. But don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. We almost at 5K. I ain't got no rhythm. No, I ain't got no rhythm when I just did that. I'm gonna go. Bye, y'all.